In a recent video on a flint and steel fire using quartz, a survival type fire, I was asked, what if you don't have steel? What do you do then? Stay tuned. Welcome to another video from Far North Bushcraft and Survival. My name is Lonnie, and behind the camera is my wife Connie. In a recent video I did on flint and steel with quartz substituting for the flint, a lot of people says, well, what if you don't have steel? What I'm using here, we're going to use the quartz, and we're going to use a rock very high in pyrite. Now, I don't know if you can see the glitter in here in the camera from the pyrites. This is not a rock that you're just going to find laying around. It's more difficult to find something like this in a creek because iron pyrites, being high in iron, it decomposes in the air and the rain, moisture. It decomposes. So this, in the old days, this would have been something that was traded for, perhaps, by many people. And once they had a piece, it would be prized. But what I'm doing here, I found in the past that it helps to make the pieces smaller. So one of the best ways of doing that is just using a saw like this and making a bunch of chaga dust. This is chaga. Now, chaga, for those who may not know, is a fungus that grows on birch trees in the northern latitudes. And that's what we're going to use today to catch the embers, the sparks. Now, you probably won't see these sparks in the bright daylight, but they're quite easy to see in the dark. I wish you could smell this, because when I'm performing the operation here, there's a very high sulfur smell, very strong sulfur smell. Well, let's see if we can't get a bit of this chaga to catch, a spark to land in the chaga and to start it. Now, it's best to do this on a rock, a larger rock, or surface of some sort, because it's just too easy to hit if you got it in a tin, it's too easy to hit the tin, flip, and you've lost all of your fine chaga. It'll go into the dirt and be lost. So that's why I'm doing it on a rock here. Now, this will most likely take me quite some time, so if I'm successful, I'll cut out some of it and speed up to the point to where we're successful, and then I'll give a time of how long it took me to accomplish this. It may take you longer, you may get it right off. Just a lot of factors are concerned here. It actually went quite quick this time, so I left the duration of the ember sparking unedited in length. Watch what happens. Okay, we've got one.